happy Saturday. I just wanted to come in. Oh, okay. Happy Saturday, y'all. I just wanted to come in really quick. Pop in. Of course, this is my first time on the vlog this week. Sorry, but I'm gonna try to get some footage today and tomorrow. But I just wanted to pop in and start the vlog off. Hope you guys are having a good weekend, good Saturday. It is extremely hot today for some reason. Babe and I are about to go out for the night. So I'll probably film on my phone just so I don't have to carry this camera along with me. Because I'm not taking a big purse. So yeah, I wanted to just pop in and say happy Saturday to you guys. We're going out to dinner and then I don't know what else after that, but yeah, going out to dinner. Just enjoy the day. We've been relaxing pretty much all day. I cleaned up, did laundry, you know, typical household stuff that you have to do. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in on you guys. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. And I'm hot, you know, like after you get dressed and stuff, you just be kind of hot. But yeah, my lash is like doing its own thing. Like, sis, get it together. Anyways, y'all, I will be back later. Bye. Hey y'all, so we just finished eating. We're eating at this burger place called Sam's of San Francisco. So I'm just waiting on Babe to come back. He went to go get the parking validated, but I just wanted to come back in because I keep forgetting to pick up and vlog while we out. So yeah, he went to do our validation. My hair keeps blowing in my face because it's kind of windy outside as we ate outside. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and tell y'all that I'm waiting on Babe to come back. Drinking my little Choritos. Validated? Damn. Because it's from that park, because of the debt we in.
Yeah.
What he say?
I told you was in the debt, but I ain't know.
Huh?
Nah, I told you it was over that one. He said, nah, they don't do that one.
Because if he put on there, it might not work anyway.
Yeah.
Well, let's go on and go back, because I don't know how much shit gonna be. Alright, y'all. Hey, y'all, so we just got back home. We are about to relax. I just wanted to pop in before I actually start relaxing and taking my clothes off, washing my face. So I just wanted to pop in and close out the vlog for today. There is Babe.
What's up? Yeah.
Weirdo. But yeah, I'm about to close out the vlog for today. I'll probably be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a chill day. We're not really doing anything. What? He was trying to add lovey-dovey now, y'all. Anyways, so yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll probably just be chilling out around the house, watching our show, The Chi. Who watches The Chi? If you watch The Chi, comment down below that you watch The Chi. It comes back tomorrow, so we'll be watching that tomorrow night. It actually is on the Showtime app right now, but we're gonna wait till tomorrow to watch it. That man is crazy. But yeah, so yeah, we're about to chill out, probably watch some of our show. It's about almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, almost 11 o'clock. So anyways, y'all, hope that you guys had a good Saturday. I hope your weekend is going well, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I just wanted to pop in and just show y'all my bookshelves that I'm working on. So this is the first one. I just have some of my purses up here. I'm still putting them up here. I think I have another bookshelf. I might put some more on that one, but I just have some of them over here, some of my boxes up here. I got to get the rest out. And then I think I'm probably gonna keep my perfumes on here. I'm just trying to decide what I'm gonna do. So over here, I'm still working on this shelf. It's like has my jewelry. This is my necklace thing. I love this. I got this. I got this maybe like a year or two ago from this Container Store, but it is a and then this side over here. I have my picture up. This pampas grass and this vase. I got this vase from, I want to say it was Ross. And then I just have candle holder. I have this tray. Then I love this candle holder I got from Home Goods. It's so pretty. And then I bought a candle that was small enough for there. My other plant. And then I got that planter from Ross. I got 2 of those actually. So yeah, everything is coming together pretty good. I can't wait to film in here. I'm actually gonna film in here this week. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the other part of my wardrobe rack. It's kind of messy, so I'll show that once I get that straightened out some. But yeah, everything is coming together. Well, I have these pictures here. I don't know what I'm gonna put on this side yet. I have my little bench. It's so cute. I love this bench. Oh, look at my little house shoes. Yeah, I love this bench. I'm gonna move these crates out of here, but they're just right there for now. But yeah, everything is coming together. Y'all, just want to give y'all an update really quick of in here and everything I have going on. I'll be back. Hey y'all, happy Monday. I just wanted to come in. I just actually got home from work a few minutes ago. But I wanted to come in because I didn't come back on. I don't think I came on here yesterday, did I? Oh yeah, I did. So I just want to pop back in again. Babe and I both just got home from work. I am about to probably start cooking in a minute. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making. I'm making some what am I making? Seafood lasagna with the shrimp and crab meat. So I went and got some lump crab meat and I have some shrimp already here. The rest of my ingredients, I just wanted something different. I'm tired of like eating the same stuff every week. So yeah, I just want to pop in, show you guys that. I'm going to show you guys what all the stuff that I have to make it. I don't know if I'm gonna show like me making it or not. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that yet, but I am going to show you guys the finished product. So yeah, I just want to pop and say happy Monday. This vlog will probably go up tomorrow. Of course I needed more footage because I didn't start filming this vlog until probably the end of the week of last week. So yes, I want to pop in, say happy Monday. I want to show you guys what I'm making. Like I said, I'm making seafood lasagna, so I can't wait. I think that's going to be really good. I've never made, I think I have made it before like a while back, so it's pretty easy. Still, it's kind of like making regular lasagna. You have your meat, your filling, you know, whatever. All right guys, I will be back. Bye. Okay y'all, so this is all of my ingredients I am using for my seafood lasagna. I have my baby spinach, lasagna noodles, extra large shrimp, some chicken stock, cream cheese. I have some lump crab meat, sour cream, monster cheese, parmesan, and mozzarella. So this is what I will be using to make my seafood lasagna. And I'm going to use this pan to make it in because I'm making a small dish. It's just me and babe here, so we don't need a lot. So yeah, I'm about to start cooking. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. I am about to make my iced coffee. I already put my caramel in there, so I'm just about to grab my ice. All right, so I grabbed my ice. I'm just gonna put 1 cube in because the ice cubes are so thick, you don't really need a whole bunch. All right, next I am gonna take my coffee. I am gonna be using the iced espresso caramel macchiato. All right, so I'm just gonna pour that in. That is enough. All right. Then we're gonna take my creamer, which I already know what creamer I'm using. All right. Pour in there. Look how good that looks. And now I'm just gonna get my straw here. You know I love my gold straws. And then put that in. And guess what? Iced coffee. That is my simple iced coffee. In the summertime, I just love iced coffee better than having like hot coffee because it's so freaking hot outside already. But yeah, that's my simple, quick iced coffee, guys. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So I just wanted to come in and close out the vlog for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Y'all, every time I wear these glasses, I have the Blu-ray whatever thing on it, so it always shows up blue. So weird. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to come in and close out the vlog for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Um, Today I'm actually going to be filming some content later on today, probably once I get off from work. So I can't wait to have that for you guys. I'll probably record a couple of videos. Y'all, my hair look crazy, but look at the skin though. Look at this skin though. Anyway, y'all. But yeah, like I said, I'll have some stuff coming out probably later on this week. I'm so glad that it is a 3-day weekend and we are off on Monday for Memorial Day. Thank you, Jesus. Anyway, guys, also I just want to shout out to my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome or welcome back. Make sure you subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Also, I know now I am active on my TikTok. I'm going to put my TikTok handle in here so you guys can see. I've just been trying to maneuver over there just to see like how to do everything. It's really easy though because they put a lot of the videos in sync together for you so you don't have to do a lot of stuff. So yeah, I've been trying out my little TikTok. So I'll leave my handle there below so you guys can follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.